Come here, Tex. Good boy. You want to go to the dog park? You want to take a ride with me? Huh? You want to go to the dog park? Yeah. Sapphire, you want to go to the dog park? Yeah. Want to go for a ride? Huh? Okay. Okay.
Let me tell you, brother, Jesus is there for you. No doubt about it, He's gonna wash away all your blues. On a rainy morning, when skies are gray, instead of feeling sad, you just raise your hands and pray. Fix a cup of coffee, sit on a cozy chair, 'cause after you read the Bible, you'll forget all about Shakespeare. Let me tell you, brother, Jesus is there for you. Here we go.